Today we're going to show you how to install our Destroyer Bagger brake arm. If you like the video, be sure to click like. Also, please subscribe to us and check out deathmetalracing.com. Let's get started. These are machined from 6061 T6 billet aluminum, available in 11 different colors, and also come with the bearing already installed inside, unlike other brands. In the installation video, we'll refer to these three pieces as piece 1, 2, and 3. We'll begin by taking a 5/8 deep well socket and remove the lock nut and flat washer. As you can see, we have already removed the floorboard and the exhaust, but it is not necessary to remove the exhaust. Behind the washer is a rubber O-ring that we'll save for later. Next, remove the cotter pin with a pair of needle nose pliers, along with the retaining pin and washer on the back side of the retaining pin. Slide the brake arm off of the pivot shaft. It's a good idea to clean and lube the pivot shaft before installing the new brake arm. There is a second O-ring behind the brake lever you'll see once you remove it. You can reuse it or replace it. In my case, I'm going to replace it because it had some pretty good cracks in it. Install piece 2 and 3 of the brake lever assembly onto the shaft along with the O-ring, flat washer, and lock nut. Tighten lock nut to factory torque specs. Install the master cylinder push rod in the center of the slot on the back piece. Next, we'll install the retaining pin along with the flat washer on the back side, and then the cotter pin. Be sure to fold your ends up on the cotter pin so that it will stay inside the retaining pin. Be sure to take blue Loctite and put it on each of the bolts. Next, you'll install the outer arm. Tighten the outer lever bolts and be sure that there are no obstructions by pushing down on the lever. Make sure it doesn't hit the floorboard bracket, crash bar, or exhaust. If it does, you can adjust the lever, which we'll show in a future video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and keep an eye out for future how-to videos. Also, don't forget to go to deathmetalracing.com for all your V-twin parts needs. Have a great day.